G'day, I'm Paul. This is my nervous face because right next to me is a McLaren Senna. The body is literally made out of carbon fiber. It is ridiculous. I'm sitting in a Ferrari 812 Competizione. I mean, these are two outrageous cars and we're about to do a drag race. Elbows, run us through what is in that first.
Well, I mean, this car really doesn't need an introduction, but it's got a 4-litre twin-turbo V8 with 588 kilowatts and 800 newton meters of torque. It'll do 2.8 to 100. It is rear-wheel drive though, like your car, so I reckon this is going to be really interesting.
Yeah, this is crazy. It has been bucketing down here. It's finally dry-ish. It's still wet in parts, which is why this is my nervous face, because these aren't our cars. These belong to our mate Lawrence, who has an incredible car collection, so thank you to him for allowing us to borrow these. This is a naturally aspirated V12 and rear-wheel drive, almost the same amount of power that you have, but you have more torque with your forced induction. This is naturally aspirated. So both of us have launch control, and both of us are trying not to hit each other as we go down here. This is a quarter mile, so we're going to do the quarter mile run as the sun comes through, just to blind us a little bit. Then we're going to do a rolling race, and finally at the end, I'm going to be quiet so you can have a listen to what these sound like across the quarter mile, and you can also see some of the numbers they log as well. But I reckon we need to get started.
Launching on go. 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, good start for both of us. Come on, baby. Oh, there is no traction at all. Oh my God, oh my God. Catching him, I'm catching him. Yes, yes, yes! Oh! Oh my God. I don't know what happened at the end there, but I was reeling you in like there is no tomorrow.
Yes, there was a bit of loss of traction there from third to fourth, which probably gave you a bit of a chance, but your takeoff wasn't very good, was it?
No, I bogged down off the line with launch control, so the tyres are still a little bit cold, so I'm going to warm up just a touch now, and I'm going to meet you back at the start line because I am confident I can send you back to Great Britain, my friend. Okie dokie. Megan, I think we are ready for our countdown. All right, here we go. Take 2.
Launching on go. 3, 2, 1, go.
Go, 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 go.
No, 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 come on. Come on.
Yes, 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 yes. That's it, that's it. All right, here we go, baby. Yes! Come on, come on, come on. I'm reeling him in. Come on. Yes, yes. Go, 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 go. Yes! Yes! Oh! Oh my God! That was so close.
I don't actually know if I won, I have no idea.
I actually got a reasonable launch that time. How did your launch go?
Well, I did it all right, but you definitely had a better launch than me, that's for sure.
Okay, let's just go to our adjudicator, Sean, over here. I just want to see what the verdict is. Don't you dare tell me that Elball's won. I don't want to hear it.
There's literally a wheel in front of the other car, and that wheel is the Senna.
Ah, yourself.
Yes, yes, that's me winning. That's the sound of a winner.
You have to admit that was far closer than the price difference between these two cars. Your carbon fiber tub and your newer technology should have been.
Now, we all know this Senna is a race car for the racetrack. The fact that it could beat your straight line queen is quite impressive.
And I think what you're going to find now is when I don't have this a couple of generation old traction control system for launch control to work with, that I will sizzle you here on our rolling race. So the way it works is 50 k's an hour. Igor, cameraman Igor, is going to drop his hat, and then we're going to go down the quarter mile. That is an obscene looking car. Okay, Elbows, let's do this.
on, come on.
Oh yeah, baby.
Come on, come on, come on.
Yeah, baby. Yes, baby. Oh yes, baby. There he is. There he is.
Oh, so good. God damn it.
Just get this window down so he can see that.
I reckon you had a head start there. You were like half a car length ahead of me.
Yes, because I was ready and you were just sitting there dawdling. I am happy to let you have one more attempt at that, but I'm quite comfortable that you were destroyed then.
Yes, I was quite surprised by how much that car is pulling away, but let's just try it one more time to be sure.
All right, let's go, baby. And be next to me. Scoundrel. All right, here we go. Here we go. Oh, no!
Yes! Come on! Yes! Oh, that is called victory. That is called victory.
It does look like the GoPro didn't catch that last run, so we just, given it's sort of running late today and we've got to get out of here, we might just sort of leave it at the run before. What do you guys reckon?
Mate, I reckon when you don't cheat and you lose, you just got to own it sometimes.
I will give you that. Finally, your extra runs here, getting your tyres warm, has worked in your favour.
I think the main difference was I did that in first gear, so that worked a little bit better in my favour.
So you cheated. Excellent, thank you. Now this is where I'm going to throw to the part where I'm just going to be quiet and you get to hear what these cars sound like accelerating down the quarter mile. Wow, that was genuinely incredible stuff. Literally pinch yourself stuff. I can't believe we just got to do that. And the cars are still in one piece, and it was literally raining about 10 minutes before we started. If you did enjoy this video, please make sure you like it, you share it with your mates. Come out to Wildcatcham as well. The town is amazing, the people are amazing, and they have been so welcoming of us here, so we really do appreciate that. Now make sure you subscribe to the channel as well, because you'll get notified every single time one of these drag races go live. We have stacks of them coming. But until next time, take it easy.